There's Elias. Oh, this is a nice playroom. Is this a playroom? Is this a basement? Is this a bedroom?
It's a playroom. It used to be our dining room.
Oh, nice. You like his playroom? Wow. Hi, Elias. Can you say hi?
Hi. Hello. Hi,
No, it's not time to show your horse yet. It's not time yet. It's not time yet.
I got horsey.
You have horses you're gonna share?
I got horsey, guys.
Wow. It's your first friend?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is. Siobhan. Thanks, Siobhan. Hi, Siobhan. That's Asher's mommy. Hi. Kimmy, life has turned into a full-on big boy in just a couple of weeks. He looks different already.
Don't put that in the
Asher will pop up some point. Asher somewhere. He's probably running around with his big brother. Yeah, look, Elias has a fire truck like you. Yeah. He has a letters chart. It's pretty cool. We'll have to get that for our new house.
Tighten the lock just left.
You're going to show tighten the lock?
I'm gonna show you
Okay.
what. Oh, there's Big Drew.
Hi, Titan.
Look, it's Asher. Say hi. Wave. Say hi, Asher.
Who's that, Elias?
Say hey, Elias.
Look, and there's Michael. Hi, Michael.
Oh, you see Michael right there?
Look at that. Look at that. Take a pic.
Look.
Say hi. Who's that, Michael? It's Titan. Wait.
Aw.
Who's that?
Who's that?
Hi, Adam. Hi, Adam. You got the camera, bud.
You see Adam?
Hi. Good morning.
Good morning.
Thank you, Colleen, for making this happen.
Oh, of course. Of course. I'm so happy. Tyra, we see you're here, but we don't see your camera on yet, Tyra.
So,
Everybody, Wesley's here, but we're just waiting to see him on camera.
Okay.
Awesome.
There we go. Hi, Tyra.
Hi.
That's great to see.
Down. Hi,
I'm going to talk about your animals today. You want to say hi?
Asher.
Who's that?
Good. Me?
Mhm.
Are you going to house?
Yeah, everybody? Say hi. Hi, Wesley. Say hi. Somebody else just came with JG initials, but I can't see the camera.
Yes.
There. Hi, Jennifer.
Hi.
I love the rap.
Thanks.
Look,
Mommy,
Yeah.
Who's that? Yeah, Michael.
hi, Kennedy. You see Kennedy? I know you're happy to see Kennedy. You say hi. Say hi. Hi, so she can hear you.
Say hi, Titan.
We see your dinosaur, Elias.
Hi, yes. You're welcome.
Okay.
Mommy,
Okay. You guys will probably give it just a couple more minutes if anybody else is going to come in. Oh, really quickly, is it okay with everybody? I have it so that it's recording so I can send a video out for everybody. So if they're missing their friends, you can go back and watch this again and again and again. Is that okay? Yeah. Okay.
Mommy, I'm going to get up.
Paris is here.
Yeah. Okay.
Who's that, Adam?
Okay, there we go. Hi, Miss Christy. Look, you say hi.
Hi.
Miss Christy's mom.
That was carrot.
That was Karis. You saw Karis?
There's Karis. You say hi, Karis. Karis is like, it's early. Okay, I think that's all our friends. Is that everybody we're expecting, I think? Okay.
How's everybody holding up?
Oh my.
It's pretty horrible.
Yeah. So you gotta get real creative with it.
Yes. Yes. All right, everybody, let's get started if we can. I tried to come up with like a revamp on the hello song for them that they do in circle time for everybody to kind of check in and get warmed up, if that's okay with everybody. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna start with you, Titan, okay? Okay. If your name is Titan and you came to show and share, wave into the camera. Wave and wave and wave and wave. Wave and wave and wave and wave. Friends, wave back. Everybody waves back. You ready? If your name's Elias and you came to show and share, wave into the camera. Wave and wave and wave and wave. Wave and wave and wave and wave. Friends, wave back. If your name is Adam and you came to show and share, wave into the camera. Wave and wave and wave and wave. Wave and wave and wave and wave. Friends, wave back. If your name is Wesley and you came to show and share, wave into the camera. Wave and wave and wave and wave. Wave and wave and wave and wave. Friends, wave back. If your name is Kennedy and you came to show and share, wave into the camera. Wave and wave and wave and wave. Wave and wave and wave and wave. Friends, wave back. If your name is Karis and you came to show and share, wave into the camera. Wave and wave. Friends, wave back. If your name is Asher and you came to show and share, wave into the camera. Where's Asher? Wave. There you are. Wave and wave and wave and wave. Wave and wave and wave and wave. Friends, wave back. If your name is Michael and you came to show and share, where's Michael? Wave into the camera. Michael, wave and wave. Michael, wave and wave and wave and wave. Wave and wave and wave and wave. Friends, wave back. Friends, did we get everybody?
Elias.
Everybody? With everybody, right? Okay. So Kennedy gave a really good wave. Can we start with Kennedy for the show and share?
No.
You want to show what you have? You can't be shy. Okay, go ahead and show.
They're here.
Okay, what do you have, Kennedy?
Wait.
Michael.
That's Play-Doh.
You have
Did you
Play-Doh?
hear?
That's
Play-Doh.
Okay, you have Play-Doh. What colors do you have, Kennedy? There you are.
What color do you have?
I have Play-Doh.
Let me try to mute. I think if I can mute everybody else, she'll be the cut on her. Like,
Okay. Wait, Michael.
Okay, no need.
Michael.
okay, hold on, guys. Okay.
Can you hear us?
What kind of play? Yes, Kennedy.
Okay.
What colors do you
Can
have?
you tell them what colors you have again?
Stop.
What colors?
I have pink, green, and yellow, and
Pink and yellow?
and pink, and purple.
Pretty colors. I love those colors. And why do you love your Play-Doh so much, Kennedy?
Huh?
Why do you love your Play-Doh so much?
Because I have the yellow Play-Doh sparkles because there was a little.
Cool. And you can stack them?
You can stack them.
Oh my. I love your Play-Doh. Is there anything else that makes your Play-Doh so special, Kennedy?
Does it have sparkles on the top? How are the sparkles?
There's 1, 2, 3.
It has sparkles on the top.
Awesome. Very good, Kennedy. Thank you for sharing your Play-Doh with us. Thank you.
Welcome.
You're welcome.
All right. Let's see who else can share with us. Okay. So let me put you on mute. Okay. All right. So let's go. I'm going to let Karis wake up a little bit. Let's do. Okay. What about Elias?
Elias, you want to show your dinosaur?
Yeah, it shows you guys.
You're going to show they can't see him. Look, you got to put him in the camera so they can see him. There you go.
Whoa. Cool. Yeah. Hold on, let's let Elias have his time. What type of dinosaur is that, Elias?
It's singing.
It's what?
It's screaming.
It's screaming?
It's
Yeah.
Green. It's green. Cool. And does your dinosaur have a name?
Yes.
What's your dinosaur's name?
T-Rex.
That's a T-Rex.
Yeah.
Cool. Okay.
So they're dominant. You got to hold it up so they can see it.
Whoa. Those are cool. Cool. So what do you like so much about your dinosaurs, Elias? What do you like most about them?
Wait, where are you going? He left to get another dinosaur.
Hold on tight.
I think you can move on.
Okay. Thank you for sharing, Elias. All right, we're gonna keep going down the list. Okay. All right. Oh, he's like, okay. Okay, Michael.
Oh,
Hi.
get your dinosaur. Say hi. Hold
I'm
on.
loving his haircut. This is my first time seeing it. It looks great.
Oh, thank you.
A dinosaur! Ah!
Okay. Tell them about your dinosaur.
Yeah, that's my dinosaur one.
That's your dinosaur?
Put the one right here. Whoa! Whoa!
It says
Cool.
roar.
What should we know about your dinosaur, Michael? What do you like so much about it?
What do you like about your dinosaur?
That it makes noises?
It roars.
It roars? Anything else? Does your dinosaur have a name?
What's your dinosaur's name? What? It's T-Rex.
It's a T-Rex too? You and Elias have T-Rexes. Cool. Okay, is there anything else you want to tell your friends about your dinosaur?
Listen, she's talking to you. Is there anything else you want to tell them about your dinosaur? Tell them what color it is.
Black, orange.
Whoa, he has a lot of colors. Okay, thank you for sharing your dinosaur with us. Good job. All right. Yes, you get a new dinosaur. Okay. Okay, hold on. Let's go to Karis. Okay. Hold on. Let me see. Okay. Good morning, Karis.
Say good morning.
Hi.
Say hi.
Karis is like,
Nothing.
I'm still waking up, y'all. How are you this morning?
You gonna say good? You gonna say anything?
You want us to come? You want me to come back around to her, maybe?
Yeah, we can
okay.
try one more time.
Okay. You ready, Titan? You want to do yours? Okay. Let me. Okay. All right, Titan. So let's show your friends what you have.
Horsey.
Okay. Okay. And you have, hold on. You have 2 horses?
Oh.
Okay. And what do you want to tell your friends about your horses?
I get 2 horses.
You have 2 horses?
Yeah.
And why do you have 2 of the same horses? Why do you have 2 of the same horses? Because they look the same? Did the first cowboy break? You had to get another one? And what happened to the other cowboy? What happened to the other cowboy? It broke too? Yes. So you have 2 horses. What do you like most about your horses?
I did go fast.
That they go fast?
Yeah, like elephant.
Like elephants? Okay. And what color are they?
Brown,
What color are your horses?
brown.
Brown. All right, very good. Is there anything else your friends should know about your horses? All right. You say thank you, friends. All right, let's go to somebody else. Good job. Okay, let's go to, let's see, Adam.
There you go.
Hi, Adam.
Hi. Good morning, ladies.
Good morning.
Are we gonna talk about Mr. Tiger? Yeah, so we're supposed to talk about Mr. Tiger today.
Okay.
Adam,
Your friends want to see you.
Adam, do you want to talk to your friends about Mr. Tiger? What does he say? What does Mr. Tiger say? Adam, come here. Come talk about Mr. Tiger, please. No. There you go. What does he say? Hi.
What does the tiger say, Adam? Adam, you have a special tiger?
Here you
Does
go.
he say roar? Okay. Okay. Rocco, do you want us to come back around at the end and see?
Yeah, we can try again later.
Okay, we'll come back.
Yeah.
All right. Asher. Uh-oh, hold on, guys.
What about your
Okay, there we go. Hi, oh, look at that. Hi, Asher. You have a
Andrew drew me a picture.
Oh, your brother drew you that picture?
What's it a picture of?
A basketball.
Who's playing basketball?
Everybody else.
Everybody else is playing basketball.
Yes.
And what else?
Astra.
And Asher's in the picture? Which one's Asher?
Right here.
Right there. Okay.
Then Andrew right here.
And Andrew's right there.
Now all my people.
That's all his people's on there.
Now all my people play basketball.
Oh, your people play basketball?
Yeah, Daddy, now you play basketball.
Your daddy plays basketball too?
No,
No, not daddy. Does mom get out there?
no, Andrew.
Okay.
Just Andrew.
Just Andrew's out there.
Basketball. No, I want Andrew.
Okay. Well, thank you for sharing that picture. That's a great picture, all your people. Is there anything else we should know about that picture?
Basketball, because I don't play basketball anything. Because I don't play basketball anything.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, Asher. Good job. I love your picture.
I play basketball down there.
Okay, shh,
Down
shh, shh.
there.
Okay, let's go to Wesley.
See? It's
Hi,
okay.
Wesley.
Hey, hi.
Good morning. Uh-oh, the camera went out, Tyra. Oh, there we go.
Okay, we're back.
Okay.
Say good morning.
Good morning. What do you have, Wesley?
Trey, stand up. Show your friends your cars. You've been trying to show them all morning. Show them your cars. Okay, I think you'll have to come back.
That's okay. We can break. That's okay. We're going to circle back around. Okay. Okay, so let's go back to Karis. Good morning, Karis.
Say good morning. Okay.
Hi, you have something to show your friends this morning?
Donkey.
You have a donkey? Ooh,
Yeah, they can see it.
that's cool.
No, just think about it.
Oh my goodness. What is that, Karis?
Can't hold it up.
What is that? Is that a puppy? I like that puppy. Do you like your puppy? What do you like most about it, Karis? That you can hold it in your hand? Okay, and where does the puppy live? Where does the puppy sleep?
The puppy sleep. He's sleeping there.
Whoa. Oh, that's awesome. Good job. And that closes. Good job. Well, thank you for sharing your puppy with us. And you can carry it around like a purse. That's pretty cool. Thank you for sharing. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. All right, let's go back to Adam. Let's see if Adam's
They're
ready to show
calling
his
you.
tiger.
Come on,
Adam.
Adam, can we talk about Mr. Tiger again? Adam, come talk to Tiger and your friend. He's in his.
That's okay. That is okay. We just wanted to see his face. Adam, we're gonna learn more about that tiger some other time, okay, bud?
Say bye. Or say thank you. Or anything. Nope.
Yeah. All right, we'll talk to you later, Adam. All right, let's see if Wesley is ready.
Okay, show me your car.
Hi.
Say hi, friends. Here, show me your car.
Cool. You have a car? You
Say
have a
yes.
car?
When did you get those cars? For my birthday.
You got those cars for your birthday that just passed?
See, yeah. What color is your car? Is that orange? What color is your car? Brown.
Brown car? Is it fast?
Great.
Gray. Okay, what other-
What car?
Awesome. You have lots of cars there, Wesley?
Show him that car. Show him the car.
That one. Titan is loving this. Okay. Oh, cool. You got a police car? Oh, you have lots of cars. Are there any other cars you want to show us? You have a tow truck too? That's really cool, Wesley. Thank you for sharing your cars with us.
Say thank you, friends.
All right. So everybody, let me take everybody off mute now. Did I get everybody? Did I miss anybody? Was that everybody?
Oh, look at your
Okay.
friend.
I got everybody off mute.
You want to show people? Show them.
Thank you.
Okay.
Bye-bye, everybody.
Okay, friends.
Say bye-bye.
Okay. Bye-bye, guys.
See you later. She ran away.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
Say bye, Tiger. Say
Bye.
bye, Michael.
Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, friends. Bye-bye. Say I miss you guys. Bye-bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye. We'll see you later.
Stay safe, guys.
Good day. Stay sane, everybody.
All right. Bye.
See Adam playing. Is it so good to see you?
Bye.
Bye-bye, bud.
Everybody.
Bye bye.
What we do now?
What are we gonna do now? We're gonna go downstairs and play a little bit.
No.
Okay, you're getting down now. All right. All right. See everybody later. Thanks for participating.
right.
It's fun. All right. Bye
Take care, ladies.
bye. All right. Have a good one.
Bye. Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.